Is there a lot of fleas in the water, best friend? No, no more. He's got fleas, but it's not much. It's not much anymore. It's not much. I haven't seen, like in the water. It's not in the water. I see right here. Poor boy. I'm trying to get as much as I can. But it's hard to pick though. Look. Good boy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Hold on. Hold it right there. Hold it right there. Hold it right there. Oh, my slippers. I got my slippers. Thank you. Yeah, look how cute is that. Look how cute is that. Oh my Lord. Look at the cute little boy. Oh, hold on, Blazer. I'm trying to get as much as I can. There's another two right here. It's hard to pick it. And then, I hope so. It's not really my daughter said I don't give him bath like at least once a month. So they said it's not good to give them a bath often. Come on, stay right there. Stay right there. All right there. Good boy. Good boy. Look at that. Look at that boy. Look at that boy. Ah.